Oh yeah, guys, I'm at the off-grid location. However, the tree that fell on the house really foobarred it. But on top of that, over the winter, which of course we didn't know, there was so much snow and shit on there, it just caved it right in. So that is done. There is no way in hell. The odd thing is the chimney's still in A1 shape, and it goes down to a 1920, 1930 stove, old wood burner stove. So if I can yank that out of there, keep the chimney, that'll be a good start. Well, mainly a lot of this shit I'm just gonna have to try to tear it apart. If I find any good wood, I can put it to the side. The rest of it, we can chop it up for bonfire, I suppose. But yeah, no, it's pretty much destroyed, which is okay by me. I don't give a flying, you know what? Not a flying nun, a flying something else. But the footprint is good. It's a nice size. So I think if I take it all apart, separate any wood that's savable, and then I got all these logs, trees and everything else. We got 9 acres of trees, so I can get all my lumber from here. So yeah, so I'm gonna build it up again and rebuild the house. But of course it'll be a new house, and whatever I keep of the old house I'm gonna keep, but we'll have to wait and see what we got left over. But that's gonna be a hell of a job. But I look forward to it, so it's good. Anyway, yeah, unfortunately the snow, we got hit with it so bad it just did more damage than we, could have anticipated. But that's okay. So it's got, I think it's 12 by 30. So if I go 12 by 32, that's pretty good. Yeah, I like it. This is gonna work out. Okay, talk to you later.